here today to talk specifically to you guys. I've been doing a research with the help of everybody on the number of students who keep studying here at school, the students who you guys can keep here, and the ones who give up, who stop studying English. As I told you in the previous video, you know that your attitude is extremely important. You guys are the ones who can hold the students here in the school. Anyway, we've been doing these studies and I'm here today to congratulate two teachers, one from Itatiba, Angélica, and another one from here, Bragança Paulista, who is Yuri. Because you two are the teachers who can keep more students here. It means that the number of students who gave up on studying English here in the school, who were in your group, is very small. And this is very good, extremely nice of you guys. And I'll be working on this number. It will be available to you on the day of the event. I don't know if you remember this, but on April 5th at 6:30 p.m. we will have an event at Colégio AZ here in Bragança Paulista. And all these numbers will be available to you guys. Just so you know, it is very important for you guys to know these numbers and to try hard to keep these students here, because it shows your good work. I also want to congratulate teacher Diego Koenig from Atibaia, because he's been very supportive with the students. He created a group on Facebook and he invited students to participate, to take part in this group. And you are always helping students, guiding them, giving them hints, tips on how to study, and this is awesome. I also would like to invite other teachers to do this kind of thing, and to invite you, Diego, to make these things available on the school's website, on the school's Facebook, because then the students from the 3 units would be able to take part in it. I'm very happy, we are very glad that you are doing this. It shows your great job. I also want to congratulate Angélica one more time, because she's been extremely helpful. You helped me create actually you did it all by yourself, the manual from B class to the students. And thank you very much, we are very grateful to you, and it is going to be a big help. So teachers, you know that now the students will have a more complete manual to follow. So it will also help you guys, because they won't have excuses. They won't be able to say they didn't do the activities because they didn't know how to do it. Everything thanks to Angélica. I also would like to say that I'll do my best to be closer to you guys, and I want you guys to feel free and come talk to me whenever you have a problem, whenever you want to share something, because we are a team and we need to work together. Okay, that's it for today. I hope to see you guys on the event on April 5th. See you!